Hi, my name is Josh, and I'm an intern at Terry Chufa, and I'm going to show you how you can get creative with tigernuts. So tigernuts are kind of like a root vegetable, but they also have the texture of a nut, so I'm going to show you how to candy them. To start, we're going to begin with 3 simple ingredients. First is tigernuts, second is brown sugar, and the third is aquafaba and garbanzo bean juice. To begin, we're just going to get the tigernuts kind of dry and toasted and put them in the oven around 170 degrees Celsius. Get the juice out, about 1 ounce. Then the same for the brown sugar. Whisk it up until it gets frothy, kind of like a meringue. Then we're going to take the toasted nuts, put them into the mixture, and then put it out onto a pan. And then put the pan in the oven, back at 170 degrees Celsius, and then give it a stir after 10 minutes, put it back in the oven, and then we're going to give it one more stir until it comes out glossy and clean and crunchy.